Permacon presents a short animation on how to use planter wall blocks to create a sandbox. Choose the final location of the sandbox. Remove the lawn according to the dimensions of the final sandbox. Tamper to level the surface. Lay a half-inch bed of sand to ensure perfect leveling. Install a first and second planter wall block. Slide a 2x6 pressure-treated wooden board. Install a third and fourth planter wall block. Slide in the wooden boards. Check that your perimeter is square by measuring the distance between the blocks diagonally. Both distances should be equal. To reinforce the structure, insert rebar in each planter wall block. To prevent the sand from draining, insert a geotextile membrane covering all sides of the sandbox. Install 2x8 pressure-treated wooden board as capping units to add to the finishing touch. Screw in using the appropriate screws. To finish your project, add sand. Your sandbox using planter wall block is now complete. To realize this project, you will need the following products. Visit oldcastlearchitectural.ca to consult our detailed installation guide.